Okay, here we are at the Golden Prince Hotel and Suites. This is pretty much our home away from home for 5 nights while we're here in Cebu. Thank you, sir. Just the main lobby area, the restaurant, which looks to be closed. But this is where you'll come to do your breakfast buffet in the morning, if you have that included in your reservation. Alright, there's checkout. Yeah. What's down here? Heritage Lounge. So, very nice. We are on the 8th floor. You have to key in your card when you go up on the elevator. Otherwise, yeah, if you don't have your door key card, your fob key, whatever you want to call it, the elevator will not take you up. So, yeah, it's right there. Gives you all the detailed information. All right, so we are at 838. We're up on the 8th floor. You okay, hon? No. Oh, get inside and take a rest. Okay, here's the room. We have a deluxe premium, I believe it's called. Get some lights turned on so we can see what we're doing. And I'll kind of give you a quick rundown here of what we have. So deluxe premium, this is what the room comes with. Here's the bathroom. And I will start out by saying that the water pressure here, we've been here 1 night already, but the water pressure here is absolutely phenomenal. It's wonderful. So we'll turn this light on. What we got here? So okay, what we got? Towels, of course, standard stuff in a hotel room. Hair dryer, hot warm water, or hot cold water rather. All your condiments. We brought the mouthwash, of course, all that good jazz. Interesting here. We got this. What do you call that? A bidet? Bidet. So the bidet built into the toilet. So kind of that Japanese toilet style. I'm sure a wand. I haven't used it, and I probably won't. But I remember in Japan, they had stuff like this, these kind of toilet seats, and a little wand would extend out here and then spray your butt when you're finished doing your business. So they've got them here, which is kind of cool, I guess, if you like that kind of thing.
I'm just on the refrigerator.
If you like having your butt violated by a bidet. So yeah, again, the shower, the water pressure here is awesome. It's really good. And it's got one of those big shower heads that feel very, very nice. So there's our stuff. Yeah, so it's a decent sized shower. It works. Clean, very clean. I have no complaints about the cleanliness of the room. You got your little wardrobe area here. It does come with a refrigerator. I just got done asking her if we had a fridge a few minutes ago.
I just on it.
Okay, good. We're gonna need it. Lockbox, your little hot water, instant coffee, tea, that kind of stuff there. Do we have some lights over here, hon?
Where are the lights?
Yeah, I don't know. Start flipping switches. So it comes with, no, over here. I'll forget it, I'll get it.
Oh, it's so bright.
And then we got other lights here. Cause, I don't know, it looks to be about a 43 inch TV maybe. Good size. Let me get the lights turned on here. On. There we go. Now we got some light. Beautiful. And I would say it's probably a queen size bed, maybe. Feels like a queen size. It's at least a queen size. I don't think it's as big as a king. The pillows are awesome. Really nice pillows. I slept really, really good last night. Okay, anyways, we got the queen size bed, and then you got like a single bed over here. Kind of the, I guess you might call it the mother-in-law bed. AC works good. Complimentary water. Yeah, there's really not much else. I'll show you the view really quick out the window. Up on the 8th floor here. So you can, Harold's Hotel right there off in the distance. Got the hills out there. Pretty nice view. You can see the rain clouds are starting to form and move in. So I'm expecting we're probably going to get a little bit wet here later. So the deluxe premier room, that's what we're looking at here.
Yes.
And it
the
works.
grandmother extra bedroom.
And the grandmother, the mother-in-law extra bed. Yeah, it's comfy. I like it. And you know, the prices are reasonable here. So, good to go. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Just another hotel room kind of video, and for those of you that might be staying in the Golden Prince Hotel in Cebu or contemplating, I hope this video kind of gives you an idea of what you'll be expecting or what to be expecting. So anyways, with that being said, everybody take care, and we will talk to you later. All right, bye-bye now.